The fast charge function can be performed when you connect the vehicle to a NACS or NACS connector at a public charging station or when using a Nissan CCS adapter at a CCS public charging station. The charge port for fast charging is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. In cold conditions, you can use the battery heater to decrease the time it takes to fast charge the vehicle. To use the battery heater, place the power switch in the ready-to-drive position. Touch the app's key. EV, battery heater, then touch here to enable or disable the battery heater. To begin fast charging, ensure that the vehicle is in park, apply the parking brake, and place the power switch in the off position. Open the fast charge port lid and cap on the passenger side of the vehicle, then insert the charge connector and follow the directions on the fast charge equipment or the My Nissan app. When it is properly connected, a beep will sound twice and the charge status indicator light will flash blue. The fast charge operation will stop automatically if the charging time has exceeded the time set for the fast charger. The lithium-ion battery available charge and lithium-ion battery capacity readings shown on the fast charger unit may differ from those shown on the vehicle's display. Once charging is complete, unlock the vehicle, press the unlock button on the charge port, then press the button on the charge connector to remove and close the charge port cap and lid. Make sure to properly store the charge connector when not in use. Frequent use of the fast charging function should be minimized in order to prolong lithium-ion battery life. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.